Videos for the day, I'm going to show you how to add Font Awesome link on your website, especially on Blogger website. First, of course, you got the link, the Font Awesome link. I have one in simpletipsblogspot.com. You can check the blog about how to add sticky social media widget. Okay, you can scroll down to check the link and copy. After you copy, go to the website you want to install the code. Okay, go to theme, then edit HTML, then go to head, then copy the link. Yeah, I already copied this one, then save. That's it. This is simple tips. That's the video for the day. Please follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you.